Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have got an unboxing for you today and it is the Pip Box, which is cruelty free beauty. This is their, I want to say December edit. I assume it's the December edit. Yeah, let's get in. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I will put it on the screen. I'll leave a link down below. I don't think I have any discount codes either. This is all paid for with my own money. There was no affiliation with them. But yeah, I don't know how much it is. I'll put it on the screen. I really should research these things. This is why I'm not a professional YouTuber. It says every month you get 5 new beauty products, and the box contains over £55 worth of product every month. So yeah, and it's cruelty free. And yeah, let's get in. So it says we've got something from Naughty. And this is the Christmas Eve Essentials Edit. Ah, Claire's pictures on the back. Look, this is Diary of a Beauty Geek. She's my friend. Welcome to the December Pip Box. This Christmas Eve, curl up and relax at home with our pampering selection of treats. What is that? There's a scan me thing. I'll load that in a minute. Staying at home is the new going out, and this month's box contains everything you need for a perfect pamper evening. Pop on an eye mask, smooth your face. Pop on an eye mask, smooth on your face mask, tame those tresses and curl up on the sofa. We even popped in a beautiful velvet liquid lipstick. Ooh, for some glam on Christmas Day. Exciting. So we've got some chocolate, which is roasted hazelnut nougat. And it says our favourite finest hazelnuts from Piedmont, Italy, unfold with their full aroma in the melt in the mouth chocolate. Of course, nutritious hemp seeds make an appearance as well. Functional food meets delicious snacking. Lovely. Alright, we've got Larizzi, a liquid lipstick from Larizzi. Let's have a little look at this. Our velvet liquid lipsticks combine highly pigmented, high performance lip colour with fine metallic pearls for a gorgeous, velvety, smooth finish. Oh, that's pretty. £16. That is so pretty in the colour Swoon. Look at that. I've got no lipstick on. Get it on my face. I'm going to use the viewfinder, so this is going to be awful application. That is a pretty colour. How bad is that? Not the worst, but not the best. But very pretty colour. I really like that. Yes. Next I've got a Betty Hula antibacterial hand cream, rum and blackcurrant, perfect for sensitive skin. I love their packaging. Says a quick penetrating cream to deeply nourish skin and cuticles. Its natural ingredients include shea butter and coconut oil to help diminish appearance of aging and blemishes. £4.49. A little, let's do a little one. Oh, it smells good. I can't smell the rum, but it smells like blackcurrant and it smells lovely. And it's gone in. That's really nice. I've got a peel off mask. George Obey. The unique and effective original black peel off mask was specially developed to penetrate deep into skin pores. Ooh! I might do this tonight. I love a peel off mask. I love the fact that I don't have to check if anything's cruelty free on this. I just know it is. It's awesome. This is £26. George Obey. I don't know. I'm sorry. The original black peel off mask cleans your pores in depth, reduces the skin's production of excess fat and prevents new blackheads. The innovative mask works by binding itself effectively to clogged pores and blackheads, dead skin cells and other impurities, and are gently pulled away from the surface when the mask is removed. And then I've got a white tea balancing cream. That's a George Obey as well. It's like, I think that's just like a little sachet freebie. Then I've got a sheet mask. Ooh, Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask. Ooh. All-in-one cooling hydrogel eye mask to depuff, brighten and repair. Infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. That's a Vitamasks one. Or Vitamasks, however you prefer to say it. Look at my nail. I broke this nail this morning and it hurts so bad. And then we've got a huge bottle of Naughty Thirst Aid Conditioning and Detangling Spray, which is amazing because I love Naughty hair care, especially now that I'm trying to do curly girl more, because there's like no parabens, no sulfates and all that good shit in it. Yes. I'm just actually saying about this. Triumph the battle against dryness, damaged split ends and tangles with a silicone-free 97% natural thirst quenching mist of moisture. The lightweight leave-in formula includes sweet almond extract and shea butter to infuse lots of hydration. Transform tangles into lustrous managed manes for the perfect fairy tale ending. Save 25% when you spend £15 or more with the code PipBox25. That is valid until the 1st of January 2021. Worth $6.99. Yeah, so that was the box. I really like it. There's nothing in that I'm not going to use. I really like this lippy. I'm not sure if the colour goes with my hair. Well, the hair is going next week, so it doesn't really matter. Let me know if you get this box. What do you think of it? I haven't been disappointed with any of them. I think it's a really nice, everything's like nice size, and it's just really good value for money. So I really like it and I will continue to get it. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, give it a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe. That would be amazeballs. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys.